San Mateo County getting the green light to go into orange tier. This is on St. Patrick's Day. Lucky for them, right? Well, that means businesses can allow more people inside, and bars that have been closed for so long can now reopen. Today in the Bay's Kris Sanchez. She's live in downtown Redwood City. And Kris, you know what? It's all about the colors today, orange and green.
Yeah, usually on St. Patrick's Day, it's not very popular to wear the color orange, but orange certainly the favorite color in San Mateo County. This is Alhambra Irish House. They had to close last year because of COVID, and now they are ready to reopen. They had to get really creative with takeout orders and also curbside, pickup to try and keep their customers going. But now the San Mateo County can reopen restaurants like them and like the one at O'Neill's Irish Pub in downtown San Mateo. They're all ordering up corned beef and cabbage, preparing to welcome customers back inside, although not all at once. This location, the one in San Mateo, can only serve 38 people inside at a time, and there will be security on hand to enforce that. Even in a limited capacity, though, people say that they are ready.
I think it's about time. I think a lot of people are getting vaccinated right now, which is very important, and I think it's opening things up in California and the Bay Area, and it's going to help a lot of businesses get back on track.
All right, so here's what you can expect in the orange tier. Wineries, breweries, distilleries, bars, gyms can all open indoors at 25% capacity. Retail can fully reopen, but with mask and social distancing modifications. Museums, zoos, aquariums, and movie theaters can reopen at 50% capacity. Same for houses of worship. And non-essential workers, you might be asked to start going back to work. However, remote work is still recommended. Now, 3 other Bay Area counties will likely be watching San Mateo very closely. That's Santa Clara, San Francisco, and Marin, because they reached the requirements to change into that orange tier, to re-enter that orange tier. Now they just need the state to wave them through, but we'll see how it goes in San Mateo first. In Redwood City, Kris Sanchez, Today in the Bay.